Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's tutorial is for anyone struggling with a slow internet connection. In this video, I'll show you how to create a free V2Ray server, import it into the NetMod VPN app, and find a working SNI that may help improve your connection performance. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest VPN and networking tutorials. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Create a free V2Ray server. Open your device's web browser and search for UDP Custom. Open the official UDP Custom website. Once the homepage loads, tap the menu button to see the available services. From the menu, select V2Ray server. You'll now see the account creation page. Enter any username and password. Complete the CAPTCHA verification, and click the Create Now button. After a short countdown, your free V2Ray account will be created successfully. Copy the generated V2Ray configuration to your clipboard. Step 2. Import the configuration into NetMod VPN. Now open the NetMod VPN app that you installed earlier. Tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner and select Import from Clipboard. The V2Ray configuration will be imported automatically. Once the server appears in the app, tap the pencil, edit, icon to customize the configuration. Return to the main screen of NetMod VPN. Tap the Play, Connect button. Wait a few seconds while the VPN establishes the connection. Once connected, swipe to the right to view the connection logs and confirm that everything is working correctly. You can now test your internet connection and see whether the selected server and SNI provide better performance. Conclusion. That's it. You have successfully created a free V2Ray server, imported it into NetMod VPN, added a working SNI, and connected to the VPN. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.